My name's Krystal Wright and I'm 27 years old and I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer in November last year, 2015. Obviously, being 27 and being diagnosed with cancer was quite a shock. That overwhelming feeling of not knowing what to do. I've heard nothing but, fantastic stories of the staff and the doctors, so it was easy to decide to get Peter Mac to help me out.
I think Krystal is being managed by very much a multidisciplinary team of specialists. The environment of Peter Mac is unique in the sense that it truly integrates the research and patient care in one building, and thereby making sure that our research ultimately benefits the patients.
My name is Sherene Loi. I'm a medical oncologist in the breast service. My work is based on breast cancer, so our ultimate aim is to improve the survival of breast cancer patients. The interaction, I think, between scientists and clinicians are really important to help drive forward the science and to try to bring that to patients. We can be right there with the patient and then literally come up to the 12th floor to process the sample. And then when we process the sample, we hope to understand what's making that breast cancer grow, and we potentially can then enrol that patient onto a clinical trial. And we're really the only centre in the Southern Hemisphere that has this capability. Within this centre there are lots of great people to collaborate with, in particular Jane Dawson, who does a lot of work on genomics.
I'm a medical oncologist here at Peter Mac, and I primarily am involved in treating patients with breast cancer, but also run a research laboratory here at Peter Mac that's very much focused on trying to identify improved biomarkers or tests that we can apply in the clinic to help with the treatment decisions we make in managing patients with cancer. And the patients are really central to the research. Having that exchange and interaction with the patients and then the research in the one building facilitates the translational research and also informs the questions that we're trying to address in the lab.
My team of surgeons and oncologists, nurses, they make it so much easier. It's not as daunting. Yeah, it's still scary not knowing what to expect, but having a team that everyone gets, it makes the experience so much easier.
When I see Krystal in 10 years' time, and she's well and healthy with a family, I think that would be the best reward I could get.